Hey! So, I'm feeling really autumnal today. I've got my autumn jumper on, I've got autumn eye makeup on, I've got autumn flowers, I've got everything autumn going on in this video. It's like the middle of October and I'm finally starting to feel like autumn has actually arrived and I'm loving it. I actually love autumn, winter, it's my favourite time of year. So there's kind of a running theme on my channel where I do unboxing videos based on like a certain time of year, and I have another one of those for you today which is autumn themed. I'm so excited because I'm just really keen to see what's inside this hamper because I know it's going to be amazing. So I've teamed up again with Social Network Solutions. As I have many times before on my channel, they always deliver the goods. They're amazing, I love them. They're basically like a blogger platform where they connect influencers with brands and kind of pair them together so that they can work with each other and help each other out basically. So they've come through with this massive hamper. It's huge and it's really heavy, so I'm going to put that straight back down. I'm going to open it all with you on camera so you can discover some of the brands with me, and I say this in every video that I do with Social Network Solutions because I just think it's so important. So my favourite thing about this is that I get to try loads of different brands that are kind of more independent and brands that people might not have heard of, but I'm always so impressed by them. And from these hampers I have gone back to so many different brands to like repurchase things, but I would never have even heard of them before doing these hampers. And it's just a really good way to like discover new brands and also help and support independent businesses, which I am all about. So anyway, I really want to open this, so we're gonna start. It's Christmas! Okay, so this I actually do know what it is. So they got in touch with me, the company's called Caseapp, and they got in touch with me and asked me what type of case I would like out of their selection on their website. And when I was on their website, I found it so hard to choose because there was so many amazing designs on there and I loved all of them. But the one that I went for, I'm really happy with. So this is a laptop skin and it's got loads of naked women on it. I really liked it, I don't know why. So basically you just stick this onto your laptop and you can take out the little Apple sticker in the middle and it's just like a laptop skin, but I really loved the design of all the naked ladies on it. They're all different shapes and sizes, all different ages, and I just really thought this was really nice and I just really loved it when I saw it. And then they also really kindly sent me two phone cases, and one of them is the same as the laptop cover, so the naked ladies. I'm 100% going to put this on my phone as soon as this video is over because I just love it so much. It's so cool. And then I also chose this one, which is so cute. It's got loads of little foxes on it. Foxes are actually one of my favourite animals. They're definitely in my top 5 favourite animals. I just feel like they're my spirit animal. Like they go out at night and they cause trouble, and I don't know, I just really like them. I think they're really cool. So I have that phone case as well and I absolutely love it. So that is the company Caseapp, and everything that I will mention in this video I'll leave a link to in the description box with any discount links that they've given me as well. So make sure you check out that if you're interested in anything that I show. Next I have this little product from Willow. This is a vitamin facial oil with gatchelin and rose hip. And I'm really loving face oils at the moment, especially because it's autumn and it's coming into winter, the weather's getting colder. My skin is really starting to get noticeably more dry. So at night I love to smother like a face oil on and just leave it, and normally in the morning it's still kind of on there, which is great. But this one looks really nice and it comes with a little pipette. I love a pipette. Also, while I'm here, has anyone got any advice for people with ridiculously dry hands? Because my hands are so dry and I always bite the skin around my fingers because my hands are so dry. And if anyone has any tips to stop that, please tell me because I need it in my life. I've always had dry hands, but they're getting especially dry at the moment. Oh, that smells so good. It's got that really nice like natural smell where you know something has like nothing bad in it, just all natural products. So you can actually get 30% off your first purchase with Willow, which is an amazing discount. So I really recommend you have a look at that. So you just need to use the code 30RosieBeauty and you'll get 30% off. That is so good. Okay, next is something I need in my life desperately, as you can probably tell by my complexion. This is Extra Dark Fake Tan by Bbold, and they've also sent me a microfiber applicator glove as well. And I can guarantee I'm going to probably do this either tonight or tomorrow night because, oh my god, I am pale. I am so pale. It's like the second summer ended was the second that I got pale and I'm not into it. So I'm going to be using this for sure. So thank you Bbold for sending me that. Much needed, much love. This also says that it improves skin moisture levels by 56% in 2 hours, which is also welcome because like I just said, my skin be dry AF. So you can get 20% off Bbold with the code HAUL20, so make sure you go check that out to get a bargain. So this is a little package from Willow Beauty, Clever Skincare and Cosmetics. This is cool. Oh my god, this is so cool. So it's like a little book. That's so cool. Okay, so this is Novel Beauty Travel Stories. I'm going to keep that, that is so nice. Okay, so first we have this, which is the Stream of Consciousness Raw Cane Sugar Scrub. Polish your skin with the dark earthiness of raw cane sugar and condition it with shea butter, papaya, fruit and geranium rose oil. That is so, so nice. It's also got that really nice natural smell. This one is the Platonic Dialogue Day Light Cream with vitamins, aloe vera, seaweed, sesame, apricot, geranium rose. That smells so fresh and nice. Oh my god, hi. 10% of the profits they make go to charities such as Room to Read, which supports girls' literacy in some of the world's most deprived countries. That's amazing. Yeah, I love those so much. I think that would be a really lovely gift as well, actually. I know my mum would absolutely love those. I might actually give that to her for Christmas because she loves stuff like this, so don't tell her. Next is something that looks really interesting. This is called Fillerina, and it's lip volume dermocosmetic filler treatment gel with 6 hyaluronic acids. So I think this is basically like a non-invasive lip filler. Okay, so let's see what this is about. It says Fillerina is a revolutionary no-needle dermocosmetic filler for at-home use that contains the first ever blend of 6 hyaluronic acids with different weights and structures to facilitate the inner plumping of tissues without puncturing the skin. What? That's crazy! Using the rollable applicator, press gently and repeatedly on the plunger and spread a uniform and consistent layer of gel across the lips. Repeat 5 times a day to achieve maximum improvement in lip volume and intensive hydration. And it says to use it daily for at least once a month for best results, to be repeated 3 times a year. I'm actually going to try this because I would never get lip fillers, I don't really want them. For now anyway, things could change in the future, who knows. But I do really want kind of more plump lips. So I'm definitely going to give this a try and I'll let you know if it works because that sounds quite revolutionary if it does work, so yeah, I'll keep you updated with this. Next I've got this lovely little bag from Lavish. So this is a teeth whitening kit and apparently it's award winning. So these are 100% vegan, natural and cruelty free, which is a triple tick. And this is apparently clinically proven to whiten up to 5 shades. So that sounds really, really good. I am due a teeth whitening for sure. And they also sent me these, which are tablets which helps your skin with vitamins, minerals and botanicals. These contain 20 essential vitamins and minerals and they help to maintain skin elasticity, strength and pigmentation. So these are actually half price on Amazon at the moment and you can also get 20% off if you use the code SMILESAVE20. Okay, I've just spotted this bag and I love Ohh Dear. I've had a few things from them before and everything is so nice and I love it. So I'm going to dive into this. Ohh Dear are basically just like a stationery brand. They do lots of like notebooks, like diaries, pens and pencils and stuff like that. So this is a idea book and it says sweet ideas in the front. It's got loads of little fruits on it. The quality of these are really, really good as well. And then you have some stickers on the first page. So you can have like to-do stickers and put them on your notes and stuff. And then, yeah, it's just a plain notebook for you to write all your ideas in. I basically collect notebooks now. I don't necessarily use them all, but I just love having them. They're just such a nice thing to have and I will never stop wanting them. So this is perfect, thank you. And I've got another notebook, absolutely perfect. So this is just an empty space lined one. So again, can add this to my collection for sure. And then finally, I've got something in this big tube thing. Okay, so this is an academic planner and then it's got Life's a Peach on the back. I'm probably going to take this to work because I definitely need to be more organised at work. And if you go onto their website, which is ohhdear.com, you can get 20% off with the code ThoseRosieDays, so make sure you go and check that out if you like the look of anything you see. Okay, so next I've got 3 products from Mother Dirt. And I've never heard of this before, but it looks really, really cool. So this is the Mother Dirt shampoo. Perfect, just run out of shampoo. Every time I do these videos, I've always just run out of the things they send me, which is absolutely perfect. So this is a gentle formula for naturally clean, healthy looking hair. Preservative free, no sulfates, colour safe, sensitive skin friendly. So that sounds absolutely amazing. And then this is a cleanser for face and body. This removes makeup, is preservative free and contains loads of cool things. So that looks really nice as well. And then I've got a moisturiser as well for face and body. So that all sounds amazing. I'm going to give the moisturiser a little smell. What? The moisturiser's see-through. Oh my god, what? Okay, that doesn't really smell of much. Oh my god, it's like an oil. I love oils. Okay, yes, I really, really like that. Next is a bit of a weird one, so I've got some noodles. These are Mr. Lee's noodles, Hong Kong street beef. So these are basically instant noodles, but these are really low calories. This is only 218 calories per pot. So I've got the Hong Kong street beef flavour, I've got 2 of those. And then I've got the coconut chicken laksa, which sounds incredible. And this is only 237 calories as well. So it's like perfect to take to work, and especially because I'm counting calories at the moment to try and lose weight, these sound absolutely perfect. And then I've also got a few things from Nah Foods. So this is whole root turmeric paste. Great for curries, stir fries, smoothies, baking, golden milk and herbal tea. I am trying to get into cooking a little bit more, and it is going quite well so far. So I'll probably be using this in some upcoming recipes. Turmeric's meant to be really good for you as well, so I should probably be eating more of it. Then I've got this, which is slim sauce, tomato and basil. This is only 2 calories per 15 milliliter serving. Then I have these, which are called slim noodles, and I actually have tried this brand before. These are 103 calories per pack, and these are flavoured like curry flavour. This one is pad thai flavour, so they look really cool. I haven't tried these flavoured ones, but I have tried these ones, and these are just plain, but they are so low in calories. Like, this is 9 calories per pack. So because I'm watching my calories, these are amazing because I can have something like spaghetti bolognese and not worry about going over on calories in the spaghetti and stuff. So I would like supplement it for these. And then with that, I've also got this little Cook Yourself Slim book, which is a calorie watching recipe book basically designed to help you lose weight, which is perfect for me at the moment. And I want to get by next summer to my goal weight. So I really am going to be a lot more strict with myself throughout autumn and winter and spring, so when I get to summer I'm where I want to be. So this is really helpful. And finally we have this lovely pink bag. So this is bubble tea, which is interesting because I thought bubble tea was a drink, but this looks like they've branched out into beauty, which is interesting. So first I've got these bath fizzers, which are summer fruit tea flavour macaroon bath fizzers, and they just pop them in your bath and they fizz away like bath bombs. It's got a big don't eat me sign on it because they do look really tasty, not gonna lie. Oh, that smells so nice. Hello. Oh my god, these look so cool. These are melting marbles and they're the same flavour, so summer fruits tea, which do smell incredible, let me just tell you. And now it's coming into autumn winter, more baths are on my horizon. I love a bath in the autumn when it's colder. Okay, I'm really happy I just pulled this out. This is a body spray because I love that smell so much. Now I've got a spray. Oh, that's so fresh. I love that. That is so, so nice. You guys can also get 10% off bubble tea with the code ROS10. So make sure to go check their website out if you're interested in anything I just showed. Okay, so that was everything in my hamper this time. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you've tried any of these brands before and let me know what you think. Thank you to all the brands who sent me stuff, and thank you to SNS as always. I'm really grateful for everything I get sent and I don't take any of it for granted, so thank you so, so much for sending everything to me. I love everything. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!